My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Wessy. Wessy is a ransomware that attacks many Windows computers all over the world today. My video, however, is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting the ransomware. In the video, I will show you the negative impact of the ransomware and will give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover your files, even though I cannot guarantee that I will help you recover the files. Anyway, before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open your data without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Wessy ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer. And then very soon users just realize that they can no longer access their files anymore. The ransomware encrypts the data and it also appends a special Wessy extension to the file names, as you can clearly see right now. So you try to open this specific file and you get a message saying that Windows can't open this type of file with this Wessy additionally appended extension. The ransomware also changes this desktop background. It also reveals this ransom note that tells you to pay the ransom eventually for file recovery. But paying the ransom is not a good idea because this does not guarantee the file restoration, so don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus. I recommend you to use Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and then start researching the system. The software is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The software will first of all update its anti-malware database, so do not skip this very important step. Make sure the database is effectively and fully updated. I forgot to mention that to download Combo Cleaner, you will need to use your Internet Explorer browser because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts could also be damaged by this ransomware. So then the scanning will begin, and at the end of the scan you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations on the system. Some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium license. You can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Then at the end of the scan you will see the full summary of infections. I recommend that you consider premium license, and of course Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It has got anti-ransomware feature which helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data, but file decryption is not possible for Combo Cleaner, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt these files. Anyway, speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover at least some of your files.